Hey everyone! Ever wished you could sneak into your Gmail without the world knowing? Well, today's your lucky day. In this quick guide, we're diving into the stealthy world of Gmail, showing you how to master the art of appearing offline. Open up your browser and navigate to gmail.com. Simple enough, right? Look for the settings icon. It's usually a little gear-shaped thing. Give it a click. Click on See All Settings because, hey, we're going all in on this. Locate the Offline tab. Click on it. Spot the golden ticket. Enable offline mail. Check that box. Now, select the number of days you want your Gmail data to hang around offline. Your call. Choose Keep Offline Data on my computer. We're building our fortress of offline solitude. Hit Save Changes. Great job. Click. Got it? Got it? Click it again, just to be sure. Open your control panel and search for Network and Internet. In the Network and Sharing Center, find Ethernet and give it a friendly click. Time to go off the grid. Click Disable to temporarily cut off your internet connection. And voila! You're now the master of reloading Gmail without an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.